Crispy skinned salmon on gluten-free coconut cupcake. Break 2 eggs into a bowl. Coconut flour. Put in 4 teaspoons of coconut flour. Put in butter. Stir to mix together. Using an electric mixer. Prepare a baking tray. Coat with coconut oil. Put in the mixture. Salmon fillet with skin. Cut a portion into 6 pieces with skin. Scissors is easier to cut the skin. Put the salmon onto the mixture. Put some salt onto the skin. Put into halogen oven. Cook in halogen oven for 20 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 20 minutes time-lapse in halogen oven. After 20 minutes of baking in halogen oven, remove the tray from halogen oven. Salmon cupcakes are ready to serve. Serve salmon cupcakes onto a plate. Salmon cupcakes. Crispy skinned salmon on gluten-free coconut cupcake. Time to taste. Crispy salmon skin. Gluten-free and keto-friendly. Super delicious. Ingredients: salmon fillet, coconut flour, 2 eggs, butter.
Yummy!
You can cut open the cupcake and add some cream coconut cream into the salmon cupcake. The cupcake won't be so dry and taste better. You can also squeeze some cream into the cupcakes directly. Same for another one.